Hi, everybody. This is George Basile, Professor of Sustainability and Enterprise in the School of Sustainability in the College of Global Futures. And I'm here to tell you a little bit and introduce you to SOS 517, Sustainability and Enterprise, which is taught live online through Sync Wednesday evenings in spring, session C. And the College of Global Futures is all about helping you guys build a thriving and sustainable future, a future that you want. And I can tell you, we aren't going to get there without sustainable enterprise. And when I'm talking about enterprise, I'm talking for-profits, nonprofits, government organizations, anywhere where people get together, new ideas. So if you want to develop the sustainable businesses and enterprises of the future, transform today's existing enterprises, use sustainability as a strategic platform for success, and build a professional network in the world of sustainable enterprise, then you might consider SOS 517 Sustainable Enterprise. I've worked for over 2 decades in this space, using sustainability as a tool to move away from what a picture up here I call sustainability as the dashboard of doom, where sustainability is framed as a set of huge challenges and global problems, which are true. But if you say to somebody, hey, you got to solve that on Monday morning, that's kind of disempowering. So in 517 in Sustainability and Enterprise, we use a whole suite of approaches around strategy and leadership, bringing sustainability into the vision of an organization, assessing tools and approaches, and being able to integrate those together. And in doing that, we do something terrific. We reframe sustainability as a strategic success platform for making better decisions, coming to better outcomes, about opportunity and innovation, about growth and adaptation, about leadership and success, and actually having organizations that are energized by a changing and expanded reality, which we all see is here now, the challenges from climate change and whatnot. But we want organizations to engage in those ideas and bring them together. So what do you guys get out of a course like this? You gain how-to competencies, not just what and why. You get to apply and integrate a suite of tools and approaches to real world examples that you can choose and work together on. And you really get to engage sustainability as a way to help organizations succeed, not just in sustainability, but succeed in what they want to do or what you want to do in the future. So you help to deliver momentum as a sustainability leader and have fun doing it. So if that sounds like a good time, and it is a fun class, check it out, SOS 517. Everybody's welcome. The more diversity, the better. And I'm happy to talk to anybody about it. Cheers.